go. This is too low. Anyway, we're focused on the item. This is the DJI Avata 360. What I bought is the Fly More combo with RC2. Okay, so this is the package with RC2. Now we will open it. So what comes with the RC2? We will see. With the combo, I should say. Okay, everything is inside. No more here. So everything is inside this bag. How do I open this bag? What comes with this bag? Oh, it's big. It's the Avata. It's big. Look, it's big. And then this one, what's this? Let's open this. What's this? Okay, this is the landing pad. To destroy the plastic. This is the landing pad. So how to open the landing pad? I want to record it so I could return it. Okay. Then very big. The landing pad is very big. Okay, we will put it here. And then you have the RC2. We're used to this because we own several drones and sanay na tayo dito. Okay, this is the RC2. And then battery. Okay, the battery is big. The battery is big. Have 1, 2, and 3. 3 battery. Okay. And what else? No more. And you have this. I will remove everything now. Okay, so what comes with the box? A cloth, USB-C to USB-C cable, a wrench, 2 extra. 1, 2, oh no, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Manual. So, yeah, manual. And let's open this. So, this is the Avata 360. And, how do you remove this? Okay, you press this to remove it. When this goes down, there's a rubber here. Look. there's a rubber here. So when it part this way. It part this way. Okay, part this way. Now I'll first remove all of this. So remove all of this. So this one is part like this. And then when it fly, it will move to this way. Okay, so you have a camera here and you have a camera here. But to protect the camera during landing, the position is like this, so it lands this way. Okay, and okay, now let's try to put on the battery. Only 2 bar. Okay, the same thing. You press and press long to open it. And it's looking for the RC. Let's try to open the RC also. And wait if they will communicate. Since it's updating, we will have to pause this for a while. I have to pause it because of the software update. Now that we have connected it, so the battery is low, no? The battery is low already. But anyway, we just try to set it up. And then I will charge it and we will try to fly it. I'm going to close this first and we will have a closer look. But first, I need to change the battery. Why? Because you need, whenever you put on the new battery, it will upgrade the battery. These are intelligent battery and it has to be updated also. When you put on the new battery, it will update the battery. Look, it's blinking. It will update the battery. Is this connected? Oh, it's connected. Oh, it's a live battery change. The battery indicator, camera, and at the back, sensor. Here you have the, let me see, you have the USB-C and SD card slot. Okay, SD card slot. So let's close it. Then what else? Okay. Let's look. Sensor. Also here. And sensor here. There's no sensor at the back. Only below. And front. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one you always fly forward. Okay, you always fly forward. You don't fly backward. Okay. And the RC2, there are 2 buttons here. This one, you remove this and screw it here. This one, remove this and screw it here. And then lift the antenna. Okay, and there's the cinematic mode, normal, sports, home, pause. And then here, there are 2 custom buttons. and this one also you control. Okay, we will have to fly this, and then photo and record. It will only capture when you take off, and when you press these two together, it will start.
Take off.
Okay, let's see. Okay, this one, look at this one, we'll try to take off again.
Take off.
Okay, did you see the camera? And then down. Okay, this will move so it will not touch the camera. Okay, I guess this is all what we can do here in the studio. We will bring this out later. We have to charge this, and then we will bring this out later, and we will test flight it. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, we will test flight this later. And let's close this. Okay. Shutting down. We're doing a lot of charging.